Hi, I'm Shumanto Banerjee. I'm an entrepreneur and I've been a part of this initiative called Swag Morning Melodies for more than 1 year. I think everyone knows Shoravar, and it's a place where people come down for their own wellness and a lot of other activities. এখানে আমাদের একটা অ্যাক্টিভিটিস যেটা ছিল which was মিউজিক। তো অমিত, নতাশা, রাজেন্দ্রজি এরা এটাকে শুরু করেছে দু-তিনজন লোক। Initially it was only for 2-3 people, and later on today when we see this has grown like anything. It has got more than 100 more plus members with us. So we are not trying to confine our initiative in terms of keeping it in the lake. We are taking it beyond lake now. So our whole philosophy of touching lives with music and healing through music will go to schools, colleges, university, and we are very specific. We will go to schools where it's a orphanage, old age homes, and places where there are autistic children, and all. We will spread joy. We will heal them through our music. We will ensure that all our initiatives are free. We will have competitions for them. We will also create events for them. So this band would be a band with a purpose, and the purpose is healing through music. And we are seeking a lot of help from various people. Come forward, be a part of our initiative on every Saturdays and Sundays. It's not just work, but it is swinging and swelling through music. I'm sure the impact is going to be extremely great, and love the way people have embraced all of us, and love the way people have taken it forward very positively. And I think there's a great future for all of us, not only in terms of wellness but in terms of music is concerned. Thank you so much. This is very interesting, Swag Morning Melody. So Swag, initially when we started, it was Amit who started, so it was sing with Amit's guitar. So we created an acronym called SWAG, and then Natasha also provided a beautiful name since it's melody and it's morning, so we created Swag Morning Melodies, and that's a story behind it.
Natasha Chaudhary. So I am also a part of newest member of this Morning Melodies. Yes, I was a walker. I used to walk around the lakes, Morning Melodies. But suddenly I saw Nahataji and Amit. They were singing, and I couldn't resist myself by joining them. So yes, from that space journey, for me the journey is starting and gradually it's increasing. I really like my Morning Melodies team. I always look forward to meet them. It's just not a piece of music, it's just not a piece of new venture to music. It is a piece of my heart, very close, where morning find new warmth of togetherness, being lively, being positive in our life through this, because it is a charger for all of us, for the members of our Morning Melodies. We get charged high on energy, and then we go through our work, for our work obviously. Yes, and as far as Swag is concerned, we wanted our team to reach to a noble cause, to different institutions and organizations in a noble way, obviously. I say दिल को सुकून मिले. The word I am getting much more is Hindi. Yes, मुझे दिल को सुकून चाहिए. मुझे after all मुझे चाहिए कि yes, I have done something productive in my life by giving smile to those underprivileged special children, and some more people like that, like them, obviously. And what should I say? Bas itna hi hai. Music all connect together, and that's it. Keep rocking Morning Melodies.